Today's video is about self-growth. We know that apology is very important. In some situations, we need to apologize, and it becomes highly essential to apologize. Apologies, you can say, are some kind of, essential elements required to develop interpersonal skills. Not only this, apology also helps in mending up relationships. Apologies create trust, restore trust between people. When I sit here near my swimming pool, I feel that season is changing and the wind is making me believe that yes, the season is changing. Winter is going and we are about to welcome the spring. So similarly, situations change in life. You never know which situation will ask you for apology and which won't. But my video is not based upon apology. My video is based upon a fact that it's not always important to apologize. There are certain situations when you should definitely not apologize. So what are these situations? And if you apologize in such situations, why? It's not going to be all right. Why it's not said to be the correct decision made by you. So when you shouldn't apologize. Stay tuned till the end of this video. I'm coming right back. Hey, welcome back. So just now I said that there are some situations in which you should never apologize. So what are those situations? Although there are a number of such situations, but in today's video, I am going to tell you about 5 such situations in which you should never apologize. Okay? Number 1, you should never apologize about your appearance. If you are not wearing the right t-shirt according to somebody, if you're not well dressed according to someone else, if someone finds that you are looking a little tired, maybe, or maybe they say that you haven't dressed yourself in the right way, whatever the situation is, you should never apologize for your appearances. You have got every right to carry yourself in a comfortable manner, till it's something very formal, where you need to present yourself before an interview board or somewhere where you are presenting or giving a presentation. Still, their dressing sense would matter, but appearance wouldn't matter. No matter if you're looking stressed up or tired. And when people point you out, you need not say that, oh, I'm so sorry for coming to your party in this tired look. You need not apologize. The second situation where you should never apologize is expressing your emotions. Whenever you've expressed your emotions, you tell somebody about what you're feeling, and you have poured your heart out to someone. So if you've expressed your love to someone, or if you have let them know that their comment was not quite liked by you, then you shouldn't apologize, because you know that you have just expressed your feelings, and expressing your feeling is all right. If you keep your feelings to yourself, that is definitely not okay for your mental and physical health. The third point, you should never apologize when you've given an honest suggestion to someone. Well, suggestions should be given only to very close people, or you can give suggestions when you're asked to pass suggestions. When you're asked to give suggestions, you should never give suggestions when you're not asked. It's quite not welcomed by people. So when you have given some honest suggestions, when someone asked you to give some honest suggestion, am I singing well? Then you would say that you need a little more practice. And now the person gets angry. And why are you to apologize? Why do you need to apologize? You were very honest and you've given the honest suggestion that you need a little more practice. Okay? And number 4, you should never apologize when you need someone's help, when you've asked someone for their help, or when you've asked for some clarification. For example, your superior have explained some, work to you, the method of doing that work, and proper instructions have been given to you, but you think that you have not quite well understood the point. So there's no point of hesitation, and you should definitely go back and reach out to your superior and ask them to clarify about what all things you aren't understanding. But if somebody is not ready to give explanations or clarifications, that is definitely their insecurity or their ego that they are struggling through. And the last one is that you should not apologize for making positive changes in your personality or in your behavior or your lifestyle or anything related to yourself. You have got every right to make positive changes, and people around you will get accustomed to those positive changes. If they take it adversely, if they take those changes adversely, it's their problem, not your problem. So you have got every right to make positive changes, no matter what. Who takes in what way is definitely not your department, right? So these were some of the things which I was planning to share with you all, and today's video was exclusively meant for self-growth. And please, if you are apologizing for one of these situations, then please stop doing this. So whatever facts I have shared with you today in this video are based upon the facts mentioned in the book Anxious, which is authored by a famous psychiatrist, Joseph Luder. Okay, so I hope you loved watching this video, and I will be coming up with more and more videos based upon self-growth and collecting all those information from the books and all those literature that I read. Okay, bye bye. Take proper care of yourselves.